Hello everybody and thank you for watching. This is me, Mr. P, and in this video we'll show you my DeX Racing Rig. In a couple of previous videos I was tinkering around with the DeX setup, how to play games using some sort of the DeX setup. The most recent one is when I was trying to use the Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 USB steering wheel to play the Real Racing 3, and this kind of basically opened a Pandora's box for me when I started to tinkering around and finding out different ways to set up something that is usable and somewhat portable, and I can play games using the Samsung DeX as my main computing device. And in this video, I'll show you my Samsung DeX Racing Rig using a Samsung DeX, ShadowPC, and a couple of extra bits. So first thing, let me show you what I'm talking about. This is it. It's a bit heavy. It's a bit heavy. This is a racing wheel stand, GT Omega racing wheel stand. And I connected everything around it to play racing games on the ShadowPC while they stream to my Samsung DeX. I will show you how everything is connected. So first of all, from this side, we have the extension cable. That's all I need is just connect this one white cable for power. So if I'm gonna just plug that into a wall, and I will turn on for steering wheel. So steering wheel, the steering wheel that I'm using is Logitech G27 steering wheel with the pedals, gear shifter. I'm using the WeMaxit portable display. It's 15.6 inches in size and it's plenty and it's fine. Obviously, if there's a chance for me to connect to the TV, that's not a problem. But I just like to use this way because I know I just unplug it. I can move it around the room, and I can play it here. I can play here. I can even take this outside with extension cable to get the power in, and if I have a decent internet speed, I will be able to drive while I'm sitting in the back garden. The USB-C hub that I'm using is a QGIM 4-in-1 USB-C hub, and then there is a bunch of cables around here. And right now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to plug this in or turn the power for the display. So display is getting power. The steering wheel should get power. For some reason, it's telling me. So we're just going to quickly see what's what. For the Samsung DeX device, Galaxy Tab S6, I try to do as much as possible tidy cable management. Still messy as hell. So you go here, let's get the USB Type-C extension cable from the USB-C hub. That's connected. As you can see, this steering wheel detects. What I'm gonna use to control the DeX and the ShadowPC once I launch it, I'm gonna use a Logitech, I think it's called K480. No, it's not K480. It's called Logitech K400. To control the DeX. Obviously, I can control everything using the tablet screen. Hold on, let me move this side of the camera. I can obviously use the tablet to control everything, but once you turn your Galaxy device into a touchpad, it's a bit wonky to control inside the ShadowPC. I'm catching my breath because it is a bit heavy to move around. I had to move around the room a couple of times just before starting recording this video. It is a bit heavy. The idea, what I would like to upgrade, add the casters at the front. So once I want to remove, I just lift a bit and just move on the wheels. That would be an idea. Maybe to replace all 4 padding legs to be all casters. That might be a good idea. A bad idea, I'll see how it goes. So right now, I'm gonna grab the chair, sit down and do some gaming. So don't go anywhere. So here we go. I'm sitting on a dining chair. Everything's set up. The monitor monitor mount that I'm using is an Envision gas-powered monitor mount. It's not designed for these kind of monitors. The way everything is connected, I'm using a virtual here to push USB signal via internet to ShadowPC. And I'm using a tail scale to connect my ShadowPC and the ShadowPC into one virtual home network. So this is a message of virtual here telling me that steering wheel is connected. So I'm just gonna say yes. Just wanna make sure it is definitely connected. Next thing, I need to make sure that the tail scale is running. And now we're just gonna jump into a ShadowPC, and hopefully inside the Shadow, I will get a message saying that the virtual here detected the server, which is running on a Galaxy Tab S6. And then connection happens. I will pick that I wanna use USB device, the G27. Once that's done, ShadowPC should detect the USB device, the G27 steering wheel, as it would be connected directly into a physical server somewhere in France. So once I get back, I'm logged in a ShadowPC, I'll come back. The next thing, I need to just run the virtual here client on a ShadowPC. It's automatically detected. That's how I set it up. Once I run virtual here and everything's connected, the virtual here server and a client automatically connects and automatically takes the steering wheel in use. Next thing, I'm just gonna run Logitech G27 software just to make sure everything is connected. So the software telling me that everything is working. That is fantastic. The game that I wanted to run is called Assetto Corsa Competizione. It's the most recent Assetto Corsa game. I quite love this game. Graphics looks amazing on the ShadowPC while I'm streaming, and I don't get any latency, any noticeable latency at all. Maybe once or twice I get this kind of like a crashes where the game streaming completely stops, and then a couple of seconds later it turns out and just hit the wall, so I lose the control completely of the game. But that's, I don't think, the fault of my streaming setup. It's more probably the actual game stops inside while it's running on a Shadow PC. So right now I'm just gonna quickly make sure that I'm in a comfortable position for me to race, and we're just gonna do a one practice lap. We're gonna go for Monza. We're gonna choose McLaren. No, we just wanna go for, I like to pick up the Lamborghini. So we're gonna choose this car instead, and we're just gonna go Lamborghini, Monza, and it's a practice lap. So let's go. Okay. So this is my practice race of the Monza track using the Lamborghini, and like I said, I haven't noticed any input lags at all. I quite like I said, playing the game in this way. Okay, stop. I need to take with the first gear, this, okay, here we go. That usually, that section that we just passed, that's the one usually kills my lap time straight away. But so far so good. Like you see, streaming quality is great. Brake. Okay, let's go. This corner I think I need to take in a second. Oh, I just hit the wall. This kind of setup is amazing for me. I can play the sim racing anywhere in the house. I just need to move this all contraption to the place where I have a power socket. In summer, if it's a nice weather outside, I can actually take this outside and use it outside. Just get the extension cord for the power, and then I can use it outside, obviously depending on the internet speed, what kind of internet speed I will get in my backyard. But then all this setup outside, I can play with no problems. Brake, no, don't go. That's it. That's just my weirdest setup around the Samsung DeX. I'm not sure if I can get any weirder with this. Like I said, I need to do a couple of minor adjustments with the casters. Maybe get the oh, okay, that's bad. Maybe get the cable management sorted a bit better, because my little one just comes up and starts pulling the cables all over the place. So do a bit of cable management, maybe. And I'm planning to test all this while I'm doing a wireless DeX. So if you want to see that, please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for upcoming video about me trying this kind of setup, minus this monitor, just casting to this big TV on the wall wirelessly, just to see how performance works. So this is my Samsung DeX Racing RIG, which I love it. I'm really obsessed, like I said, with the sim racing, and I'm absolutely enjoying this game. Which one to start? Thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this, I don't know, Samsung DeX RIG. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please click like on this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.